Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are working on a camcorder. It's a very old Sony CCD-TRV16. It's an 8mm camera. This is the first time I've ever worked on one of these. It's not my usual repair, but I told the customer that I'll have a look at it. It's given me the power adapter. I believe the issue with this one is it doesn't accept a tape, so the door doesn't close when there's a tape. So if we eject it, so without a tape in, if you close it, it goes down. But if we put a tape in, it doesn't do that. Put a tape in, and then nothing happens. So it's quite a weird one. I'm sure there's some old technicians out there who know exactly what the issue is, but I've looked online, I've looked on YouTube. I can't find any repair for this exact model with this exact problem. And then it ejects the tape after a minute or two. So I don't know whether there's some kind of switch or sensor that senses when the tape is in. So I think what I'm going to do, just have an on-off. There, okay. Camera off. Just going to start by removing the door cover here, just so I can try and see if there's anything visual that I can find inside the door here. Guess we should eject it, eh? Once the tape goes in, so the only thing that would be different with the tape in, I guess there's these little sense switches here which sense what kind of tape is in. So that would be different. And then the pickup, or whatever this is, the sensor. So let's try what tape is this? It's pushing down the outside two. Let's just try push down one and see. Didn't work. What about that guy? What about that? So we cover the sensor pickup and it does nothing. Could it be some kind of connector issue? did come across some mentions of the edge connectors becoming not corroded but losing contact. Maybe I'll just have to strip it down. Yeah, so when the sensor is covered, it doesn't take the tape in. Interesting. So if we have the sensor uncovered and we close it, it takes the tape in. Okay, so let me try and get it apart a little bit, and we'll see, maybe check some of the connectors, the edge connectors. Maybe they just need to be reseated or cleaned a little bit. Figure out how to take this apart. So I guess just all the screws that you can see. It loaded. Nice. And it just ejected. Let's try that again. Get in. So just a reseating of the connectors. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I think that's good. I think we are good. Just try a different tape as well. Beautiful. Where is that? Here it is. Oh, I don't even know if I'm switched on or not. No. Because my on-off button is over here. But certainly loading, which is great. Okay, so let me get it back together and then we'll do some more testing. Okay, so just to recap on this 8mm camera, the issue when it came in was that it wouldn't close with the tape in. It would close when there was no tape in, but what I did is I stripped it down and I just reseated all of the connectors, and that seems to have sorted out the issue. So now with the tape in, if we close it, it loads the tape. I've tested the playback and the recording and that's working fine. Yeah, so I'll call this one a fix. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.